I mean, I like asking why. I like why questions. But when you're learning a language, why is not a particularly good question to use. It's like sometimes you can find the answer but the answer will be like not so useful to you. It would be like, well, it's because this French king came in 1658 and then the whole court decided that we were going to change the spelling to impress him or something like that. Or it's because the Vikings or the Germans or the whatever. And it's just not so helpful. The helpful questions to, but it's natural for us to ask why, because we're all adults and we want to know why. We want to understand why. And yeah, I just think we ask a lot of whys, but it's if you can stay away from why when you're learning a language, I think is useful. Better questions to ask is what, when, and how. Particularly when. What and when. Those are great questions. So what do you say and when? What do you do? What do you have to do and when? In what circumstances? When does this apply? Yeah, but why? Not so great.